The Chicago Park District invites everyone to join us as our team shares their knowledge about a range of interesting topics. Our staff is dedicated to staying connected to our communities.
To make these things, you're going to need just some leftover paper towel rolls, which you can find around the house, and toilet paper rolls from Maracas, and then we'll make a shaker using a plastic bottle. You can use any plastic bottle you have around, just make sure you wash it out and dry it so that it's not sticky.
Make sure our paper is the size of the paper towel roll so that we can just wrap all the way around like this. Make sure we have a good fit. Go right about there. And to get that on, we're going to glue that down. Just with some regular Elmer's glue. I tried doing it with a glue stick. It didn't stick too well, so I recommend using wet glue.
And then we're going to cut off any of the excess paper here. Next up, we're going to take a piece of paper like this, and take our paper towel roll, grab a marker, and just draw a circle around.
Make sure you leave some room off of the edge because we are going to cut a circle on the outside of the one that we draw. So then we're just going to cut that out, leaving about an inch on the outside. And then we're just going to go in and cut lines all the way up to the circle that we've drawn. Then what we want to do is, again, while I would like to use a glue stick, I found that this actually didn't work as well. So if you can, we're going to go with the wet glue again. While it's a little messy, it's going to stick a lot better.
And then we're going to take the paper towel roll like this, put this on the bottom, and just start to wrap that around.
So while that starts to dry, we're going to just cut out like a strip to wrap around. And remember, with doing this, you can pick whatever colors you like. I like green. I'm going to keep it yellow and green for this one, but you can mix and match and do whatever colors. For this one, I am going to use a glue stick. And we'll just go back up to where we started here. Before we fill up our paper towel roll with rice, what I like to do is put just some extra pieces of paper in it just to control the sound so that all of the rice doesn't move at once. So now I'm just going to cut up a bunch of pieces of paper like this. We've got some extra pieces like this. And to give them some texture, we're going to just grab a marker and wrap it around just to give it kind of a foil. Now, for filling our shaker percussion instruments, you can use a couple of different items from around your house. We're going to be using beans, rice, or pasta. They're all going to make a little bit of a different sound. Now we can add our rice. I'd say I want to add about this much. If you need help measuring that out, you can ask a friend or a grown-up at home. that starts to dry, we're going to do one more strip just to wrap around the top. Once that's done, you get to decorate it and customize it. And there we have our homemade ring stick.
These days, it's more important than ever to come together as a community, whether it's from our living rooms, kitchens, or backyards. Discover activities for all ages, as well as fun, interactive videos and important park information by following us across social media platforms and visiting us at chicagoparkdistrict.com.